Todd knew the trails in Hell's Canyon well. An experienced hiker prepared for the worst. But out here, the worst doesn't wait. Tens of search and rescue volunteers searched for days, weeks. No sign of him. What if a drone had been there first? What if infrared had spotted him before the cold set in?
Over 100,000 rescues related to SAR occur annually in the US, with teams responding to emergencies and saving lives across the country. Of the thousands of SAR teams at different levels, over 500 across the USA are using drones, showing just how vital they are to the rescue force. However, with the lack of funding being a commonality between SAR teams, what measures should be implemented to ensure these teams are properly equipped to save lives? Does the current market reflect this issue? It's quite the opposite, actually. Professional SAR drone companies can charge tens of thousands of dollars for their equipment, making it difficult for local or underfunded SAR teams to afford this life saving technology. And while some companies offer cheaper alternatives to SAR drones or first person video drone kits, they often lack essential features like thermal cameras, making them inadequate on the field. There is a clear gap market between low end recreational grade drones and high end, over budgeted models, which Yevla aims to bring.
Yevla is a custom professional drone kit that uses a three-phase system to maximize rescue times. But how does it work? Powered by a LiPo battery and managed by a power distribution board, the drone uses a Pixhawk 4 flight controller with fail-safe features and a Holybro M10 GPS for precise navigation. Its TBS Crossfire system offers up to 40 kilometers of range, while four 950 kV motors deliver high torque for heavy payloads. Flight control is further supported by applications like PX4 Autopilot and Q Ground Control. The dual camera switcher lets operators toggle between an Axis Flying 640 thermal imaging camera and either a Runcam Night Eagle 3 or Runcam Phoenix 2 Joshua Bardwell, based on lighting. A TBS Unified video transmitter sends real-time data to a 5.8 GHz headset, and a dedicated communication module integrating long-range radio frequency modems, audio encoders, a Raspberry Pi, a directional microphone, and a loudspeaker enables clear two-way communication between the operator and victims. This could include calls for help, details on others' whereabouts, and real-time updates that could make a visual difference. Yevla will enter the United States of America search and rescue drone market, which is currently valued at $941.6 million and is predicted to grow to $3.35 billion in 2034. Within the market niche of local/underfunded teams, we plan to take 5% of that specific market because Yevla is the only drone company that gives our value for our price point. Marketing strategies and other competition can affect this as well. We plan to work with local teams, NGOs, and other organizations in order to help out those in need of dire assistance, which is a win-win situation. In this competitive landscape, Yevla stands out by integrating advanced thermal cameras and innovative communication technology. This unique value proposition sets us apart from leading professional drones, positioning Yevla as a leader in UAV technology for search and rescue missions. As of now, we have consulted with search and rescue professionals to refine our model pre-launch and have gotten positive feedback. In R&D, we're developing a CAD model of our minimum viable proposition for FEA testing. Once the prototype is built, we'll test our components in many different ways, refining design based on results. Our initial drone is scheduled for early June release, pending the necessary licenses for beyond visual line of sight operations and FAA Part 107 registration for non-recreational use. In the first year, we will focus on refining our design while operating independently, leveraging personal brand marketing and social media to build awareness without the need for office space. As we grow, we plan to expand our team by bringing on unpaid interns, allowing for greater collaboration without incurring additional payroll costs. Based on our projected expenses and revenue streams, we estimate generating close to $250,000 in profit and anticipate surpassing $1 million in revenue. On the Yevla founding team, Rashay leads business and outreach while I handle hardware and software. Drawing from our past experiences and our shared commitment to making a difference, we form a strong team that can fly above the competition.